Working on automotive ECU tuning with Kess V2 hardware? This KEP file contains engine control unit tuning data for vehicle performance modification. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to handle these Kess V2 ECU tuning files. If you frequently deal with unusual KEP file types, a universal file viewer is an essential tool. We'll cover exactly the one I use and recommend later in the walkthrough. A .kep file is a data file created by the Kess V2, an automotive tool used for reading and writing to a vehicle's engine control unit, ECU. Professional tuners and car enthusiasts use these files to modify engine parameters like fuel injection, ignition timing, and turbo pressure to enhance performance. The .kep format is a proprietary binary file containing a map of the ECU's firmware. Its structure is designed to be read and written by specific Alientech hardware, ensuring data integrity and preventing unauthorized modifications. The binary nature protects the intellectual property of the tuning map. If installed, your preferred program for KEP should be the KEP Application by Alientech. Windows cannot validate changes to the file structure, demanding dedicated software for integrity. Windows shows only a simplified view, so deeper interpretation must be done with suitable software. Your first step towards full access, right-click the KEP file and select Open With. If KEP is on your system, try that first. If not, try another option immediately. If your KEP file will not open yet, do not panic. If you're still with me, that KEP file is truly stubborn. We need to stop guessing and start testing. Let's check these critical failure points now. First, opening in Kess V2 software. Launch Alientech. Kess V2 software with valid licensing and OBD programmer hardware. Use File then Open to load the KEP tuning file. The software displays ECU information and allows writing the tuning data back to compatible vehicles through OBD2 connection following proper ECU programming procedures. Next, editing with tuning software. Open KEP files and tuning software like WinOS, ECM Titanium, or SwiftDeck for tuning map modification. These applications display ECU calibration tables in graphical formats, enabling adjustment of fuel ignition and boost parameters. Save modifications back to KEP format for writing to vehicle ECUs through Kess V2 hardware. Finally, following tuning best practices. Always back up original ECU data before modifications and ensure tuning matches your specific vehicle and ECU version. Improper ECU modification can damage engines and void warranties. Work with qualified tuning professionals when learning ECU tuning and verify modifications on dynamometers before normal vehicle operation. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.